Hello Maribel and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website. So I'm going to start looking at the landing page for San Antonio within TLC Longer. And I can see that you have the click to call button, you have the email button, you have links to your social media accounts, and then all of the back pages are interlinked with the parent domain, which that's well done there, and more location details over here. So there are a few things that you could do. Potentially make this click to call button a little bit bigger. Add the contact us form at the top, so just make it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. And think about perhaps throwing in more pictures and extending the amount of content. Right now, it is sitting at 534 words, and content, actually Google likes to see content because it's through content that it understands what the websites are about, and also because through content you are able to push through more relevant value intent keywords. So have a look at two of your competitors. So Long Care, this is the San Antonio landing page. They have 6,887 words, and Lone Starter, they have 1,906 words. So definitely an opportunity for you to explore and just make sure that you are being ranked for the relevant value intent keywords. Now I came here to the Google search and I type in Long Care Company San Antonio. The first section is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic, and you're actually running an ad right now for that particular keyword. These Google Ads are really good at generating traffic and generating leads immediately. Then you have the Google Maps, the Google Business Profile, and in this section, to rank here, you need three things. You need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. Please remember that this section drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic, so it's actually very important at the local search level. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search, and this is where I found your two competitors. To rank here, you first need a website that is safe, that is secure, that is responsive, and that has the relevant content. And once you have that, then you need to start focusing on building backlinks. And to analyze that, we have a website tool called Ahrefs. And in this tool, I can analyze the backend of a website, and I can see that there are 58 external websites directing traffic towards your website through 308 links. And if I have a look at two of your competitors, so Lone Love, they have 45 external websites. Just the San Antonio landing page, 45 external websites directing traffic to their landing page through 525 links. And Lone Starter, they have 87 external websites directing traffic through 403 backlinks. So it's always a good idea and very important to have a look at that backlink profile to make sure that you not only have more backlinks, but you have powerful backlinks, and those are the ones that are sitting on websites that are relevant to your services and to the industry that you operate in, so that Google can verify this, and then you can rank at the top. Now, your website is being found for 554 organic keywords, and in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword. So I'm just going to filter out by San Antonio, and in here I'm searching for Long Care, for example. So it's telling me that the search volume is 300 and you're appearing in position 21, so it's going to be really hard for you to attract traffic. Similar to this one, Long Care in San Antonio, the search volume is 250, Long Care San Antonio 600, but you are ranking in positions 21, 25, and 35. Let's have a look at Lone Love. They are being found for 313 organic keywords, and in here we can see that Long Care San Antonio has a search volume of 800 searches per month. This was crawled on the 19th of June. And because they're on the first position, they were able to get 284 visits to their website. They have San Antonio Long Care, 600 searches per month. Because they're on the first position, they were able to get 215 visits to their website. So here the message is that you want to identify what are those keywords with the highest search volume. Those are the ones that you want to have as part of the content of your website so that Google can find you for those. And then by building the backlink profile, you're going to be able to outrank your competitor and rank at the top of the Google organic search. And it means that your website is going to be in front of more potential customers more often, and a percentage of those potential customers are going to end up in your website. Another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into customers, and that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video, that you find it interesting, and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.